Hello and welcome back to our Xero Training for Minerva Accountants. I'm Della Hudson. I am the founder of Minerva Accountants, and I'm going to be taking you through what was one of the real revelations to me when I first started using Xero back in 2012. So we're not really fly-by-nights. We've been using it for over a decade, and I'm going to show you the bank reconciliation. Once you've connected Xero to your bank account, it will suck up the bank statements. So it can't interact with the bank account itself. It just sucks up the bank statements. And then half your bookkeeping is done. I'll show you how. So here we are back on the Xero dashboard, and this time we are going to reconcile the bank account. So you can either do this through accounting and the bank account's there, or the quickest way, straight from the dashboard, click on reconcile. Here we go, 29 items to reconcile. We're not going to get through all 29, but I will show you how quick it is. So Xero has a whole lot of AI built into it, and it uses machine learning to figure out what to do. So once you've done the coding for instance, Smart Agency, this month, next month, it will make a guess that you want to code it to the same place. And so within about 3 months, most of this will be lined up with OKs for you to check. So here we go. Ridgeway University, check the invoice number. Okay. Trixton Property, yep, that's the same. Go. Smart Agency we'll come back to. Here we go. Ridgeway Banking Corporation. This has come through from machine learning. So bank fees, yes, that's correct. 7-Eleven, this has come from a bank rule. So we're going to go and have a little look at the bank rule, and you can set up your own bank rules. This is a spend money rule. It said if the P contains, and I would always say use contains, not equals, 11, then you put in this description and code it to this account with this VAT rate, and then they've saved it as a rule called 7-Eleven. So let's save that again, even though we haven't made any changes to it. So where were we? Let's wait for it all to come back. There's 7-Eleven. We're happy with that. Okay. What else we got? We have got Wilson Periodicals. Yes. Oh, no, that's a different number. So is it actually the same thing? Well, you're the business owner. You will have some idea. And actually, either you've put in the wrong invoice number here, or you've put the wrong invoice number as a reference on the bank payment, which happens very often. Some bank accounts automatically come up with the last invoice number. So you either leave it and go to create and overtype it, or you can OK it, depending whether it's right or wrong. What else have we got? Wilson Periodicals 98801. This is also coming up with the wrong reference number. So we're going to create that separately. So we're going into Wilson Periodicals, comes up, and we're just going to call this stationery. I have no idea what it is, and we don't have an invoice, so that means no VAT. Let's go. Jacaranda. It's come up as £200. That's clearly not the same thing. Ridgeway Bank, yes, that's correct. 7-Eleven is following that rule we looked at before. That's correct. So that's all the easy stuff. Now let's go back through. Fast Pay. Well, we can look at more details, see what it's about. We've got a description, which is the reference number, or we could go in and match it and see if there's anything sitting in here waiting to be paid for that amount. No, I can't see anything, and there's not a useful number on there. So I am going to come back out of that. So I'm going to cancel and do that manually. So I've looked up what it is. I can't find a match, so I'm going to have to create it. And this is going to be Ted's taxis. It's a very expensive taxi fare, don't worry. It's travel national, and there's no VAT because we don't have a VAT invoice. There we go, smart agency. So have we got anything in here to match it to? Let's have a look and search on the word smart. Go. There we go. So it's made up of 2 invoices. So we select both those and we're okay. We're getting through this. City limousines. Here we go. And this is received. So that is travel, national, no VAT invoice, so no VAT. Go. Jacaranda Maple Systems. Let's go and match it. Have we got anything for Jacaranda? I can see a Jacaranda there already. So we've got one there and one there. That makes up that £2,000. Here we're really going. So we've got Cooper Street Bakery. There we go. It's a new contact and it's going to go to travel and subsistence. Have we got no? So it's travel and subsistence. Let's go, no VAT. Cooper Street Bakery again. Okay, it's already learned what we do with that. Excellent. This is how fast machine learning AI works. Let's see if we've got a Swanston Security. There we go. So this is repairs maintenance. Let's go. We've received this. So we're going to put let's have a little look if there's a reference on it, say where it's come from. No, it doesn't. So we have to go away and look it up, and then we know that that is Frankenstein, who is our new contact, and that's sales. It's come in, and we're VAT registered, so we know there's VAT on that. Why we haven't raised an invoice, I don't know. So central, it's not central perk, it's central city parking. This is only limited by the speed of my typing. Whitcoulls, what do you think Whitcoulls is? It's a new contact, so now it will know each time, and I'm going to put this to entertaining, which is not allowable. So central city parking has come up again. This is good. ACL conferences. Is that an anterior cruciate ligament or something else? Who knows? So this is probably some sort of training. If I can, there we go. Staff training. No VAT. Also forget that. New World. New World Symphony. Travel. And no VAT. This is why you need to save your invoices, get invoices for everything, because then you can... so this is Wilson Online Periodicals, so a slightly different name. And it's... and no VAT. Central Park's come up. It's already learning. So this has classed it. So it's not Frankenstein. It's... Okay, Berta this time. This one's come in from, but it's still sales, so we're okay with that. We've got Majestic, not the wine bar, or perhaps it is. Sales. Here we go with VAT. Parkside Kiosk. Add it, and that will be entertaining. No VAT on that. Central, these are coming up. See, it's already learning. It's learning. And here's deposit. And this one is from Frankenstein. So there we go. Bank rec done. 29 items reconciled as quickly as you can. Now, one thing to check is just make sure that statement figured there is the same as on your bank statement. So either check it to your monthly bank statement, or once a month, just go and have a little look on your banking app and make sure it says the same figure, because very occasionally the bank feeds break. So I recommend that you check these once a month, and we will check it for our clients at the year end. So there you go. That's bank reconciliation made easy. Next month will be even easier still. You can see with the bank rules set, it will help next month. With the machine learning that's part of Xero, it will help next month, and every month will get faster. So there you go. I will see you on our next video.